Stop! Putin, stop the war!
Okay, we are live now and we're going to start our protest. My name is Abdul Malik and I am a Chechen blogger in English. I'm a refugee from Chechnya. I've been living in England for 22 years now. The reason I'm in this country and the reason all of us here in this country because of that flag behind me, that terrorist state. I'm going closer and show you what is that terrorist state and what they have done. Obviously, we'll try to show you and we'll tell as much as possible what this terrorist state has been doing in Chechnya, in occupied Chechnya, and what they are doing right now in Ukraine. They're killing innocent people today in Ukraine. Yesterday, they've been killing hundreds of thousands of innocent Chechens. The world has forgotten about Chechnya, but we are here today to remind you because our sister Amina Gerikhanova is arrested because of that terrorist state. This terrorist country, Russian Federation, is fabricating cases against all Muslims from Chechnya. And that is the reason Amina Gerikhanova is arrested in Romania. So also, we are protesting against Romania. Romania is committing crime. Romania is cooperating with Russia and trying to extradite innocent lady. Her only fault is because she is Chechen and she is Muslim. Her only fault is that she wants to live free. Her only fault is that she ran away from the Russian terror. But Russia is blaming her with false accusations and saying that Amina Gerikhanova was fighting in Syria with terrorist organization. We have all the evidence and we have supplied it that Amina Gerikhanova has nothing to do with any Syria and she's been residing in Ukraine. Amina Gerikhanova has left Chechnya after she has been tortured, kidnapped, as they're doing to all other Chechen people. But today they're doing same to Ukraine, to Ukrainians. So Amina Gerikhanova has been living in Ukraine until the terrorist state, invaded another peaceful country, Ukraine. She had to run away from Ukraine because of the Russian bombs, because of the Russian killing, raping of innocent people. The same thing what they used to do in Chechnya during 1994 and to 1996 and during 1999 until now. Russia has put their own pro-Russian puppet government run by Ramzan Kadyrov, another terrorist, and they're terrorizing the whole nation. The whole people are being kept as hostages. People cannot talk a word against the regime. Why is the regime? The regime, if you say a word about the injustice doing, torturing, kidnappings, they're blaming them being a terrorist. If they flee occupied Chechen Republic of Ichkeria, they call them they are ISIS terrorists. That is the reason Amina Gerikhanova is suffering. That is the reason that Islamophobic Nazi Romanian police doing on our sister. So we're asking Romania first, release Amina Gerikhanova. She is an innocent lady. Stop cooperating with terrorist organization Russia, or you will be blamed same as this terrorist. Stop breaking your reputation. Stop dealing with Russia. Today the whole world is condemning the actions in Ukraine. Yesterday the world was sleeping, but today the world has woken up. But Romania is still taking part with Russia on these crimes. So we're asking again, stop Amina's extradition to Russia.